Hello, my name is Willie, and I'm a Comfort Advisor Estimator here at Maxwell-White Plumbing. When you're thinking about remodeling your bathroom, there's a lot to consider, and this video series on our Onyx collection is here to help make the best choice for your home and bathroom. In this video, I'm going to talk about the kind of maintenance, or lack thereof, you can expect when upgrading your bathroom using an Onyx collection product and the lifetime guarantee they support. These products come with a lifetime guarantee that we can all get behind. So let's dive in. Let's start with maintenance, because that is where Onyx truly shines. First, because Onyx has a non-porous surface, there's absolutely no mold or mildew, water, soap, and grime. Simply can't penetrate the material, and because there is no grout, there is nowhere for that bacteria to grow. This is a game changer compared to traditional tile showers where grout lines become a breeding ground for mold and require constant attention. This makes for incredibly simple everyday cleaning. You just wipe it down with mild soap and water. That's it. You don't need harsh chemicals, scrubbing brushes, or special cleaners. There's no grout to bleach, scrub, or seal, which saves you time and money and cleaning. The surface is also stain resistant and color stable, meaning it resists stain from soap scum, hard water, and body oils. Colors are consistent through the material, not just on the surface, so it keeps looking new for years without fading or discoloration. And if you do manage to get a light scratch or some wear over time, the surface is repairable. Light scratches can be buffed or polished out, which is far easier and more effective than trying to repair acrylic or tile. We even have an example for a chipped base that was fixed quickly and looks good as new. Plus, with large panels and seamless joints, cleaning corners takes seconds, not minutes, making your weekly cleaning routine faster and easier than ever before. Now let's talk about the guarantee, because that is where it really sets Onyx apart. You get a lifetime guarantee on all Onyx products. Onyx is based out of Kansas, and they pride themselves on a true lifetime guarantee. If a panel, base, or accessory fails due to a manufacturer defect, they will repair or replace it. They are guaranteed not to crack, fade, or peel. These pieces are engineered to last for decades under daily use with no warping, no discoloration, no delamination like you see with typical acrylic products. The best part, this guarantee transfers to the home, not the owner. This adds real value to your property because future owners benefit too, making it a smart investment for resale. Here at Maxwell-White Plumbing, we ensure our installations follow strict Onyx guidelines. Using approved adhesives, supports, and sealants, this ensures the product performs exactly as guaranteed by manufacturer. And finally, this guarantee is backed by real people. Onyx is an American-made product with American-based support, so if there is a problem that we can fix, they send someone who can. Customers can talk directly with the manufacturer if questions even arise. This combination of low maintenance and strong guarantee means lower long-term costs, less time cleaning, peace of mind knowing your investment is protected, and consistent beauty that lasts year after year. I hope this was helpful in your bathroom remodeling journey. Want to learn more about the financing options available on how to build your perfect bathroom? Or more about the crazy amount of customization this product offers? Then check out one of our videos and about Onyx Collection and why we trust this product in all of our remodeling projects. Schedule your first consultation with us with the link below in the description, or call us at 608-786-4004. Thanks, and we look forward to working with you.